everyone, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com. Today I am back with two special deal boxes from BeadingSchool that I haven't previously shared. One of them is full of the Preciosa nacre pearl cabochons, and one of them is full of Preciosa sew-on crystals. Really excited to get into these, and I will leave the links to both of these boxes directly below the video if you'd like to check them out directly. You can find these in the special deal section of the BeadingSchool bead shop, and they make for a awesome way to sample many different color options and the beautiful and high quality variety of Preciosa products all in one neatly packaged box. All right, I just had a peek at the stock level. At the time that I'm filming this, it looks like the cabochon box, there's about 19 left of those in stock at the moment. They could be restocked down the road, but for now, they have a limited quantity. They go fast, so I just wanted to let you know that. The cost of the cabochon box is $25.99 in euros. And of course, BeadingSchool ships worldwide. They will convert the currency for you in whatever currency that you're using, whether it's US dollars or something else, so don't worry about that. And I think this is the cabochon box. So let's go ahead and get into that one first and check out what we have. I love these little fuchsia boxes, and it's amazing how much they pack inside. All right, so here we have a peek at our stack of little bags. We've got all different colors, and let's take a closer look at these one at a time while I tell you a little bit more about these cabochons. All right, let's start out with these two bags here. So we have vanilla and we have cream rose at the bottom. These are two of the more neutral colors. You can definitely see when put side by side, this one has a lot more gold to it, and this one is much more creamy. I'll go ahead and take some of these out. So cream rose and then vanilla, and look how smooth and glossy these are. So these are a really high quality item, and the reason why is because these have a crystal core, so that helps to imitate the weight of an actual freshwater pearl. Also, what helps them out is they have several layers of nacre, which is mother of pearl basically, that these are coated in, that makes them extremely tough and very, very smooth with that perfect satiny finish. So it's not like paint that's going to just chip off. And I love that about the Preciosa nacre pearls and cabochons. And I'll show you a little peek at the bottom. So they all kind of either have the whitish or I think like a black base, but that color coding goes all the way around those cabochons. So beautiful to bead around and also beautiful in embroidery. Next up, we have the sage and we have the light green color. You can see some of them have that more solid, opaque, glossy look, and then some of them have that more metallic, satiny looking finish. And what you get in the special deal box with these pearl cabochons is you get 15 different colors. They're all going to be 8mm round. So you get a total of 90 cabochons, and the colors may differ from box to box a little bit, but what you will get is definitely a great sampler of all different colors and the different finishes as you see here to really get a good idea of the Preciosa range and build up your stash all at once of some beautiful colors. So here's the sage, and here is what they call light green. Definitely has a golden cast to it, just a hint of green. And you can see the two different types of finishes that these have. Here are another couple of colors. We have the salmon rose and we have peach. And again, the two different finishes, the more opaque, glossy, and then the more satiny metallic. And you get 6 pieces of each color in that 8mm size. So enough to work with. Like for example, if you wanted to make an entire bracelet with one color, you could definitely do that. But they're just so smooth and perfect and have that pearl-like weight. It just is the type of quality that you want to work with when you are beading. Mainly if you're doing something special, you want it to last, then those are the types of pearls that you want to work with, especially in that case. Next up, we have the Bordeaux color on the top, the satiny deep berry red. We also have the plain red right there, just a very bright fire engine red. And then cranberry, this one also being a bright red, just not with the metallic-like finish. So here are those 3 different tones of red in the same order that I had the bags, the cranberry, the red, and the Bordeaux. So you can see those up close and get an idea of the slight color differences that they have and the difference in the finish. Here are some purple shades. We have light burgundy and we have lavender, these both having that satiny metallic finish. And there's those colors up close. And you can, of course, pick up any of these items individually from Beading School in their bead shop. They've got all these different products. This is just a great way to sample many different colors all at once so you don't have to pick up each thing separately. And then they provide it at a bit of a discounted price for picking up the variety in the special deals box. Here's some silver gray. We have light gray on the top, and then we have the ceramic gray over here on the left. And there are those 2 out of the bag, both of them pretty neutral and just gorgeous. And the last 2 bags I have are for the aqua blue and also the magic black. And here they are. Each one of these has been absolutely perfect. I've seen no chips or anything like that on these caps. They're each in great shape, and I can't recommend these enough. All right, so those are the 15 colors that I received, so 90 cabs in total in this limited edition special deals box. Love the variety that they sent, love the quality, and love that they put these together so that you can build up a little stash of all different colors to play around with. And in addition to that one, of course, we have the Sew On Crystal Special Deals box. So this will be a similar concept with multiple colors included inside one of these adorable hot pink boxes. This is another one of those that's a surprise selection of colors, but of course, some of the most popular ones are the ones that will be included. There's going to be 15 different varieties inside of the box, and there's going to be 20 pieces in each bag. And in addition to picking up this special deals box, you also get access to download a PDF tutorial from Erica for a quick and easy bezel that uses some of these sew-on crystals. So let's go ahead and open this one up. All right, so just like the cabochons, we have all of our little baggies here neatly stacked up that we will take a look at. All right, so with the selection of sew-on crystals, you get to sample both the silver tone setting and the gold tone setting. So first of all, we have 6 packages here in the silver tone setting, and the crystals themselves give us even more variety. We have some with an AB coating, giving us that rainbow-like finish. Some of them have that opal-like quality where they have the creamier, colorful look with that little bit of a flash inside, and then some of them don't have the addition of a coating on the top. They're just sparkly and faceted and colorful all on their own. Each of the bags contain the 4mm size sew-on crystals, and what I love about the sew-ons is that they are very versatile too. They have the delicate setting on the back, which isn't very cumbersome, but it gives you enough room to pass your needle underneath in 2 directions to secure them to your beadwork. And you can use them not only in embroidery and sewing them onto fabric, but they are great for sewing into bead weaving projects. And you can even use these on filigree components. I shared some of these used in a filigree tutorial not too long ago, and Erica has a lot of patterns on her site as well that incorporate these sparkly little rhinestones. All right, so I wanted to show you all 6 of these colors out of the bag and give you a close-up look at these. They're so tiny, but so beautiful and add a colorful and sparkly touch. We have first going in order from left to right, starting with the color called Ruby. Next, we have Blue Zircon, and then Purple Velvet. Love that deep purple. We also have Amethyst Opal, which is the creamier, lighter purple. We also have rose opal, the hint of light pink, and that gorgeous flash inside the crystal. And then we have crystal AB, which has that rainbow-like coating over the clear crystal. And these are all the ones in the silver settings, and these are something you can pick up individually as well. And I actually have 3 more in the silver settings. These were covered up and I had them with the gold, but we have the jonquil, the crystallite opal, and the light sapphire opal. And I'll take those out so you can get a closer look at these. So there they are close up. Aren't they just gorgeous? And that crystallite opal, oh my goodness. Light sapphire opal, those on the right. And then of course our light yellow, which is the jonquil that is on the left. All right, so it was actually 9 bags of the silver setting varieties I had and 6 bags of the gold setting, and I will go ahead and take these varieties out as well and let you know what they are. All right, so here are the crystals I received in the gold settings, and going from left to right, I have jonquil, rose opal, ruby, purple velvet, Montana, and light sapphire opal. All gorgeous and a great variety, very similar to what you could expect to receive. And just like that, an instant stash of beautiful Preciosa nacre coated 8mm pearl cabochons and 4mm sew-on Preciosa crystal rhinestones in both the silver and the gold. I didn't mention before the price on the sew-on crystal box is €55. Again, a little bit of a discount there if you purchase these items in the special deals boxes rather than separately. And don't forget, if you are a subscriber to the Beading School Academy, the new bi-monthly subscription box that I've started sharing recently, they actually give you the option to purchase things in their bead shop, just like the special deals, and add them to your next subscription box order. So you can choose the option called Top Up Your Box, and it won't add any additional shipping charges, and your items will be packaged together to arrive with your next subscription package. I think it's pretty awesome that they provide that option, because who wants to pay extra for shipping? Although it could be a little bit dangerous with all the amazing things they have in the shop. So that's all I have for today. I want to thank you all so much for being with me to check out these 2 special deals boxes. Once again, the links for these will be right down below the video. Also check out the videos I've done before for previous special deal boxes that you can still get your hands on. I'll leave the link to the Beading School Finds playlist in the corner. You can check out all the different videos I've done with them that give you close-up looks at items that they have in their shop. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your experience has been with Beading School, or what you think of these boxes, or anything else you'd like to say. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe while you're here, because I'd love to have you back. And feel free to share with your other beading friends. I'll be back again real soon, but until next time, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And as always, happy beading.